Okay, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step instructions on how to get the Spectrum TV app on your TV or your Fire TV or your Fire Stick. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, Spectrum TV app is only allowed on Samsung TVs or Roku devices or Apple TVs. So when it comes to the Amazon Fire Sticks or Fire TVs, they're a little bit limited, but there is a workaround on how to get the app on your TV. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, we are on the home menu right now. Go ahead and grab your controller and you're going to go over to that magnifying glass right there where it's search, and then you'll click on that and you're going to search for Silk, S-I-L-K, Silk browser right there. And then select a Silk browser. Alright, and right there I already have it installed, so we'll go ahead and click on it because that will give you access to the internet. Alright, you'll see that the Amazon Silk browser comes up, defaults to Bing. Okay, now when you do launch this, sometimes some people may get a box that comes up to accept the terms. If you do, just go ahead and click on accept terms. Okay, as you can see over here on the left hand side, see that circle, it's moving. That's because I'm pressing up on the remote. But you're going to want to go to the bar there at the top that says Bing, and we're going to want to change that web address. So once you click on that web address, go ahead and type in. You're going to type in watch, WATCH.spectrum.net. And as you can see, it went ahead and filled in the rest of it there for me. If not, go ahead and just type it in just as you see it like that. So watch.spectrum.net, and then click on go. Okay, and then the Spectrum app starts to launch right here. Alright, now it's recognizing that I am a Spectrum user, so it says you're signed in as a Spectrum user. I'll just go ahead and click on continue. Now you do have to have a Spectrum TV subscription to do this. You can't just illegally watch Spectrum TV. You got to have an account in order to get this done. Okay, as you can see here, it says welcome to Spectrum TV, so I'll just go ahead and click on continue. And when you first launch it, it'll ask all these safety things, so just click on got it on all this stuff. And right now it's launching the live TV.
Half the weekend. Let's check out those pollen levels.
Okay, and as you can see,
continues to increase for us.
Okay, let me go ahead and mute that. But as you can see, now I have Spectrum launched here, so I'm able to watch all my Spectrum TV by doing this little workaround on your Fire Stick or your Fire TV, so that way you can get Spectrum. But hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.